Sanbonani Dumelang Mzanti, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat on a daily basis. I neutralize, I destroy, and I fix. Stay tuned. Let's destroy. Sanbonani Dumelang Mzanti, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
No,
but
no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho ngani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Hi guys. Hey. Hello. I'm so sorry to ambush you guys. I've got a YouTube channel, ne? I go around asking couples questions. Is it fine if I ask you guys questions?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine.
Okay, it's fine.
Name?
Mondli.
Mondli and?
Sinazo.
Sinazo.
Yeah.
How long have you guys been together?
It's been 2 years. Yeah, 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Still going strong.
Yeah.
All right. What's that one thing you really like about him? He's good looking. I'll give you the first one.
Yeah, vele. Yeah. Ismail Saike, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, girl.
Yeah.
I agree. What about you? What's that one thing you really like about her? Yes, definitely.
She's everything him. And unamqondo.
Yeah. She's everything. She's your sister, she's your mother, she's your brother, she's your partner, she's your lover.
My everyday partner. My everyday partner.
Okay, let's hope it stays that way after this interview. By the grace of God.
Why you say so?
No, you'll see. Do you trust her? Do you trust your woman?
More than everything.
Really?
Yeah.
No suspicions of cheating ever?
No.
Really?
No mangilela ngicabang lokho.
Even in dreams nje?
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, sis? Do you trust him?
100%.
Yeah. 100%.
100%.
All right. In these 2 years that you guys have been together, have you ever gone through each other's phones?
No.
No. Would you like to?
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
I like her. Why not?
Why?
You've been together for 2
phone
years.
It's a private thing.
But you
private device.
you share private parts. So what's a phone? What's a cell phone?
Private parts is another thing.
What's a cellular mobile?
I don't.
Are you hiding something?
No, there's nothing I had in here. But there's something serious on my phone.
Like what? What could be so serious that your partner can't see?
Akhona izinto ezenzayo phela njengabafana yabo.
Hayi
Zamajita nobhuti bami yabo. Yeah, akukho kuthini.
But we're all adults. I'm sure we can see those things.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
She's sure. Mondli, you're
Yeah.
acting dodgy.
Ish. Okay.
Thank you. Cell phone? Take out your cell phones, guys. Oh, he has your phone.
No, you go first.
Girl, I still need your phone. He will go first. But I just needed to have your phone in hand. All right, can I go in between you? Okay. All right, CMTV viewers, it is about that time. Couples switching phones. So this is yours, right?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have a password?
No.
No, at least. At least you don't have a password.
But I know king check. You never check in.
They do. In fact. All right, go to his WhatsApp, please.
Okay.
All right, type I love you.
Huh?
Yeah, we want to say who you say I love you too.
It's fine. Ngaphandle kwakhe.
Okay. We'll see. Don't worry. We'll confirm.
I love you.
Okay, scroll.
Nami phela kumele ngibone.
Man, Ima. Ima. One Sima. Sungam. Wait.
Who is Sima? Sima.
Yang profile.
Here are you.
You told Mom mostly.
Are you serious? Let me see.
Brown chidel ne chomam.
No, akusiko lokho. No. Cheese, I'm not cheating on you. Yes, baby, ngiyakuthanda nje.
Wait. What was her friend's number doing in your phone in the first place?
Yeah.
Because her friends are her friends, they're not your friends.
Bese ixoxela nje ezumngane
About
yabona.
what?
Ufuna umnganami, manje siyaxoxa naye wayefikile ngimbona nje endlini.
But here she's not flirting with your friend, she's flirting with you.
Yeah, wayekhona umnganami naye endlini. Sasisonke sonje masihamba sonke angihambi ngedwa masimbona.
So what is she doing on your phone? Does your friend not have a cell phone? Hi.
But I'm not cheating on you.
What is this?
I'm not.
We found Sima under I love you, dude. Come on.
Yabona kuthiwa ufika ngakodwa ngayikho yonke
Hayi
le.
wethu senilapha.
Ngiyakuthanda mama.
Yintoni le.
Okay, I'm sorry. Khuluma noSima, safletha naye, sabonana nje. Nothing serious.
Let's ne chomam.
Nothing serious.
For
It happens
what?
once.
Are you attracted to Sima?
No.
Then why are you flirting with her?
Angikhala obviously, but uyena
If you're not attracted to her.
Uyena approach her.
So then you don't have self-control. She didn't put a gun to your head, did she?
No.
So then you also wanted her.
Why so many questions like this?
No, but answer.
Why? Basi
Guys-
ngiyakuthanda nje.
Oh Lord.
Yeke into yokuthanda. Wena why you flirting noSima?
Bawungekho baby ngalesa sikhathi nje, but nje wafika sabonana. Izinto zenzeka ngenye indlela. I'm sorry.
What's that? Did you guys get intimate? You guys did it.
Did what?
The deed.
No, we didn't.
Are you
We
sure?
didn't, I'm sure.
Let's call Sima and find out if you didn't do the deed. Let's call her
What is the use of calling her?
to confirm if you did not do the deed.
Why?
Because that's another level of cheating.
Baby angithembi mangithi azange ngize ngenzulu sasilalanga senzanga lutho angithembi baby.
I also don't. Can we please
Okay.
call Sima?
Mfonela uSima kodwa
Guys, I'm not coping. I'm so sorry. Can we please come this side? I'm so sorry. It's very, very hot. Musa, can we please have the phone? Thank you. We're calling Sima, ne? Ask her what she's doing with your man. Say your man's name. You sorry?
I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for? What are you sorry for?
Ngiyahleka.
Kabi ya nyumbazo.
Imandi.
Calling your woman, Sima. Your side chick.
Your device is this welcome tone for 5 rand per month.
Hello.
Hello.
Ndikhuluma noSima.
Yeah.
Okay ke ntombazana, uMondli uyini kuwe?
Hayi wena.
Ngiyabuza uMondli uyini kuwe?
Yini kanje? Why ungibuza ngendoda?
Wethu uphendula umbuzo wami, uyini uMondli kuwe?
Akakucelanga yena.
Ndifuna ukuzwa kuwe. Uyini?
Boyfriend yayo.
Oh. Awusoyijomi yami na?
Does she know who she's talking to?
Mina ngithomi yakhe hayo.
Uyayazi ukhuluma naba?
Mlomo. Uthini?
Uyayazi ukhuluma naba?
Ubani?
Sinazo. Ichomakho. Ichomakho.
Meaning C2 kuye, so please ngilele.
Hayini.
This is hectic.
C2 baby girl.
Are you gonna dump your man or are you gonna dump your friend?
Both.
Both, ne?
Yeah.
I also think so.
Why?
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 Ngiyamthanda Musi. Kube iphutha. It's not like i-girlfriend yami. Okay, ngimtshelanga ukuthi okay angisamfuni. Azangize ngimtshele ngiyaxolisa. I'm sorry.
If he tells her now, are you gonna take him back? You're done.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, it's over. Va?
Ngiyakthanda.
Alright kaloko.
Awungithandi ini kanti Musi?
It's too late for that.
Kodwa phela ukwazi usho njalo nefoni yakho singakayitholi.
Angisakufuni. Asiyeke yemi phone.
Can we
Hayi,
please? Can we please?
Why?
Why kumele siyeke yemi phone ngoku?
Nayo kumele sazi.
Why
Why
not?
kumele why kumele siyeke yemi phone?
Snazo, please put in your. Whoops.
Asiyeke.
Please put in your password. We need to.
Sicedile nje na so.
Well, how are we
What's the
done?
use of-
How are we done? When we haven't checked your phone. We went through his phone.
Why kumele siyeke yemi phone kodwa sicedile mina naye? Sicedile.
No, he still needs to see. For the sake of closure. What if you were cheating as well throughout this whole time and now you're upset? Vula iphone sisi. Vula iphone ntombazana nje. Ki.
Kodwa si
Vula iphone ntombazana ndini, vula iphone.
Ayibona sinami ukukhonani la. Ngangibuka kanjeni hawo.
Thank you. All right. What's up, ne?
Okay.
Okay, type I love you. Okay, scroll. That's you, ne?
Yeah, this is me. I see.
Okay.
There's nothing when I love you.
Okay, delete, type I miss you. Ikisa mazipho sinazo. Ikisa mazipho. Panic.
Olwethu.
Go into the chat.
Bani olwethu.
Wablush, snails.
Ubani olwethu.
You are blushing even.
itsho mama.
Are you
Uthuma
sure?
mfana. Buka nje futhi lo mfana mdala kanjani.
Njabu umdala.
Hayi. Uyini olwethu.
Okay, is Oluti your boyfriend or blesser? Because when is Zindo up?
I miss
What's
you. I miss you
happening?
too.
So what's happening?
Itsho mama.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Uyini naye?
Ngiyakutshela ukuthi sisichomi hayibo.
Ikhona ichomo enjena.
I can't show you.
Njani? Sithetha ndoni?
Ichomo oyithandayo.
Awunothanda ichomi na?
Hayi.
Njani?
Wena ngithi first time wathi angihlukane nokuthandana nokuzwana namantombazana. Ngibe nemngane nentombazana nithi kwasho wena. Akusiwasho njalo?
Ayike zitshintshele izinto.
Wow!
Since when? Since when?
Since siqala.
Can we call Oluti
For what?
to find out if he's really your
to know
friend?
what
If he's
went
saying
on,
he's, yeah, we want him to say the same thing.
Sure.
It's fine. You said your relationship is over, so why not call and confirm and just end it here? Because you guys clearly are both cheating.
You can call.
You can call.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow.
Okay.
Seriously?
Really?
Indlela bengithemba ngayo sonke lesikhathi kanti uyabhizi uyachitha.
And yeah, you lose.
Wena bungachithi.
Hayi. Kimi kube mistake mos nje.
Kanjani?
Okay, Mondli, we're not gonna do that. Also, Mondli, we're not gonna do that.
Nkosi
With her friend, even it was a mistake.
yami. Mistake itsho mama.
Please hold.
Twice set this welcome tone for 5 Rand per month.
Hello? Sure, hamba kahle.
Hamba kahle kanjani?
Hayi, right. Ngikhuluma noolwethu, right?
Mina ngikhuluma nabani?
Hayi, ngikhuluma noolwethu, ukhuluma noMondli.
Yeye ndoda ifoni yami kaloku leyo uvela ubuza kwakhuluma nolethu ngingazazi ngikhuluma nabani. Ubani wena?
Ukhuluma noMondli.
Uzotsho nini ke ngoho?
Uhlanganisana nosinazo.
Yebo.
Uhlanganisana nosinazo.
Hlanganisani nobani?
Nosinazo.
Thiwe buzela wena intombi yami khipha.
Intombi yakho. Since when?
Since wena awungazonginyela la wena yini manje ubuza lotho?
Alright, yazini chap.
You're gonna leave him?
Hayi sharp. Hayi, it's fine.
It's a circus. Yeah. He's playing hopscotch.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because you're mamling. Yeah,
No, he's not.
Njani?
He was vulgar, he was too serious, he's irritated.
You're mom.
That's your man, girl.
Hayi kichome njeni.
Male bestie wam.
Nah.
Azangithanda ukwenza islim.
And
why doesn't your male bestie know your man? Because your male bestie does not know Mundli.
Kubi male bestie ngayi khulume kahle bengeke ikhulume futhi kanje.
Exactly, because male besties know your man. Are you gonna confess? You don't wanna confess?
No.
You're not gonna confess?
Yeah.
It's fine. Olwetu has confessed. She's dating Olwetu, right?
Mm.
So are you guys gonna stay together because you guys are both cheating?
Grind him.
You're fine.
I'm good.
What is why you cheating ngoba ngisangifuni phela ongangitshelanga ke.
You're mom land cheating go cheatayo.
You are cheating, Snazo, you cheating. You are cheating.
Yeah.
Why uzongitshela usangifuni phambi kwabantu ungibukanisa
Oh, when I'm fun, do you want her after Olwetu?
Ngiyamthanda but ke
Oh, you want to fix it?
Yes.
After Olwetu?
Nothing I can do.
Oh, he wants to fix it. You don't want to fix it? Because you're also cheating. You guys are on the same level. You might as well just fix it. Ah, Snazo, come on.
Angisamfuni.
How long haven't you wanted him? Also, you didn't want him before this, Vel.
Yeah.
Yo, I get there's nothing I can do to fix it. Why? You've been wanting to leave?
Yeah.
Yo.
So ngifumene reason yokuba manimshiye.
And this is it?
Yeah.
Yo, Mondli, I'm sorry.
Wow.
I guess it's, yeah, I'm sorry. This is awkward. Musa, let's go. Okay. All right, CMTV viewers, that is it for me. See you on the next episode.
Sanibonani dumelang mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name of course is Lisa Siram Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process of course I make sure ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but Nengan.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?